Subscribe to our channel for more information on our software. In this tech tip, we will explore user security in Antero 7. Every user of Antero will need to be added to user security. This section is located under Database Admin and will require that a user has Database Admin privileges checked. This will allow a user to also have access to other database admin tools available in the software. Users are added from the computer's Active Directory. When adding a user to Antero, permissions are defined by the role that is enabled for that user. Role assignment allows for different security groups to be created in the software. Several users may be added at once with the same role assignment. User details are pulled in from Active Directory and can be modified. Users may be assigned multiple roles. Antero will implement the permissions with the highest level of security assigned to a user. In addition to DB admin privileges, users will need setup tool permissions checked to modify the setup information inside Antero for items such as maintenance groups and work lists. View permissions will allow for an overview of each user's current security permissions. The Roles tab displays all the current security roles defined and allows for users with database admin permissions to modify and add new security roles. Antero has two roles that are included by default in the software. Those roles are View Only and Full Permissions. Select a role and edit the permissions as necessary. The permissions for each role are defined on the right. Each section of the Antero software has No Access, View Only, Edit, and Delete permissions. Click to add a new role and define the role name. A variety of permissions can be applied for each role created. Highlighting an existing role and selecting Add Similar will allow for the current permissions of the selected role to be applied on the new role created. When creating or editing an existing role, additional privileges can be defined. These privileges, when checked, will allow the user with the assigned role to perform the defined privilege, such as moving work to history, entering parts usage, showing all work orders regardless of user or maintenance group assignment. View the help file by entering F1 on the keyboard or selecting it from the File menu for a defined definition of each role or privilege inside Antero Security. Once a security role is applied to a user, select Show Assigned Users to view all the users that have been given permissions for the role highlighted. Once a user has been added to Antero, they do not need to access user security to view their assigned permissions. The user information section is available to all users of Antero and will allow the user to display their current effective security permissions. Be sure to view our other tech tips for more information on Antero 7. Visit our website for more information on our software or reach out to us directly.